everyone, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I would like to share 4 DIY projects that you can do for your entryway table. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. For the first idea, we'll be using this white candle pillars. There is like 2 different shapes. So the first one, I'll go ahead and stack 2, and for the remaining one I'll be stacking 3 together, and for that I'm using E6000 and also some hot glue. Those pillars already look beautiful as is, but I thought stacking them together will make them look more sophisticated. Next, I'll go ahead and spray paint them with this gold metallic paint. And to embellish it a little, I'll be using jewelry borders, and I'll go ahead and glue them right where they meet. They are gorgeous and look really high-end. For the second idea, I'll only be using 2 items. I'll be using this party ball as well as a clear soap holder. First, I'll go ahead and remove the stickers. I'll paint the party ball white and the soap holder gold. Once they were dried using E6000 as well as hot glue, I'll go ahead and glue the soap holder at the bottom of the party ball. Once again, I'll go ahead and use jewel border sticker and put it where the 2 meet. For the inside, I added my Podge at the flat surface, and I'll go ahead and cover it with a beautiful white and gold cardstock. I then added additional Mod Podge on top to seal it. Once again, this turned out to be such a beautiful piece. For the third idea, I'll be using this beautiful ceramic jar. I'll go ahead and put the bottom part at the side, and we'll be using the top part. I'll go ahead and place a crystal knob using some E6000, and later on I'll be adding some Mod Podge and glitter. Using gold glitter to match the top. I could not be more in love with this transformation. It turned out so amazing. For the last idea, I'll be making decorative books using those old books that I already had. So I'll go ahead and glue the top part to the first few pages for both of them. Next, I'll go ahead and take some white paint and go ahead and paint the whole book. That step was repeated for the both of them, and then I allowed them to dry for about 30 minutes. Once they were dried, I'll be using this beautiful white contact paper to cover them. For the first book, I'll go ahead and use those beautiful gold letter stickers to spell the word inspire, and I later on actually spell inspire to DIY, which is the name of my channel. Next, I went on and took the smaller book and I'll go ahead and glue it to the larger one. And to decorate the top, I'll be using this beautiful white and gold cardstock, and I'll be using Podge to glue it there. At last, I'll be using those jewel border stickers again to just cover the white part. Voila, another wow piece. As an entryway table, I'll be using this IKEA Acrylic, so let's go ahead and start decorating it. DIY, I'll be using this foldable storage bin, and I'll go ahead and use contact paper to cover the front. Voila, you guys, I have a more beautiful, elegant, and updated entryway table, and you can too by simply using any of those ideas. They are really easy and simple to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Bye!